Designing the future of living spaces, creating modern interiors and offering successful kitchen designs man-made. We go our own way. As one of the leading manufacturers of kitchen furniture and as a quality brand, we make more than just perfect kitchens and infuse with innovative ideas. For customers who expect state-of-the-art functionality and real luxury from a classic kitchen. We open up limitless possibilities to creative planning solutions, with details which set new standards in design and quality. Behind the fronts, everything can be combined, allowing the customer's every wish in terms of quality and fittings to be fulfilled.